Thumper put on shirt. Thumper, no, Thumper, bare hands. Come here. Come here, so look and brush him out there. Brush him. Thumper, take out. No, take out this.
I'm gonna take it off.
Esther, come here. Somebody come do me a favor, please. No, Thumper, look you know.
Brush off, no man.
Thumper, you have to it cannot brush off. Look here, no. Look.
Brush everything, man. Brush everything.
All the nest, is that nest you have for your Thumper? Brush it off.
Thumper, take it off.
Watch out for your neck. Jesus! Thumper, take it off. Take it off, Thumper. A beer hands.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry.
Quick move, you know.
Nice up on car and say, this is the day that's on the program. I see someone roast on Sunday.
Yeah, so you know, cause we never get to inform them about Stoolu with the funeral and everything. So you know, a lot of them send them condolences towards Stoolu as well too, cause we never get a chance to highlight them to what's going on and everything. So all the viewers and the donors, they may know Stacey from the UK, Makeup by Michelle, you know. All of them send them Carl and Denise, so all of them send them condolences. Yeah, the unknown. You name it. They're so Nurse Jackie and so yeah, so there's so much of them, right?
Yeah.
So you can't just tell them, you know, everything. Stoolu was buried and thing, you know.
Stoolu was passed off and he was just buried and thing, but after I got through so much thing with Stoolu and thing. But I'm here strong same way. Why I miss Stoolu very much. Because when I cook, I remember Stoolu. I cry. Cassandra have him face on her tablet and her phone and cry, you know. I miss Stoolu very much. Last year he was here with me. This year is gone.
Yeah.
I thank all donors who used to reach out to him very much. Yeah.
Yeah, man, because you done so much for him, you know.
Yeah.
You done so much, and we really appreciate what you do, you know. And what you done will never go into hiding because Father God already see, you know, and the world see
Yeah,
what
I'm
you.
over here and walk and go here. This is the lady who used to look after that little old man and I see where
Yeah.
I'm coming from.
Yeah, I understand.
I
man.
home with you and I see a foreigner come here with you and say, Mr. Hermin, yeah, thank you for everything that you have done for
To
Stoolu.
Stoolu, of course, 'cause everybody say it,
Blessing.
you know, and there's a donor as well to call me and them really admire what you and Cassandra did for Stoolu. You know, them really been touched by it,
Yeah.
you know, for the kind arts. And even we, you know, really appreciate what you've done because you're doing the same type of work what we're doing, you know, helping out each
Well, I know
other.
on the road now with the police them delivering food package to old people and insane people
Okay.
from morning on the road.
Alright, so that's good.
Volunteer myself because I love those work.
Yeah, I realize that they say
Yeah,
your
I love
blessings will come from
My
because
mother died from me at 2 months, so I just like elder and I like insane. Here when I'm from, I just love them, my work that. I don't
True.
care about money thing
yeah,
and thing.
help out each other along the
Them
line.
say a good name I work for, but a blessing because I'm 60 and I'm still firm.
Firm.
Strong.
I'm gonna say a lot who are 60 at me and telling a firm like you that even look strong as though you look Hermin when me always see you
I
up
go to
and
the
down.
post office today and when I tell the lady me age, she said, no sir, blessing on you girl, blessing.
Listen, man.
Yeah, and I saw I would like my granddaughter young like me,
Yeah,
cool, calm like me.
Never listen to what people say, you know,
Yeah, no
naysayers
time.
them, because you can't do those type of things for any good name.
No good name,
It's
no
either
money
you're helping or you're helping,
Nothing.
you know?
Yeah.
So, because helping someone is not for a good name.
Yeah, I love those work.
Of course.
Yeah.
If you're a blessing, kind never donation for you, you know. You know, it was towards Stoolu, but you're the main one to put this towards same way. You know, from JDL, from Canada, it's $5,000. You know, in JDL from Canada.
Thanks Jadel from Canada for this donation. Although Stoolu passed and gone, still remember me. Thank you very much, Jadel. Thanks.
Yeah, man. So,
Big up all donors.
yeah.
Blessing.
All of
Dream
them.
team.
One team. Stacy
Clean
from
team.
the,
One
Stacy from the
from
UK.
the UK. Nurse Jackie. Makeup Michelle. Carl and Denise. Unknown.
Unknown.
Big up yourself.
There's so much name to call, you know, and this is
Yeah.
Hermin, you know.
Yeah, this is
so
Hermin standing firm, same way.
see him here.
Yeah.
Don't stop, you know.
Nah,
Never
stop.
give up.
Not giving up.
Never give up the fight, you know. too. In the igloo.
Everybody get a touch.
I just want to thank Natasha and Stanley from the US for this barrel, for the dream team. You know, it's really a blessing. Another Christmas gift. So we have some shower gels. That's the shower gel, right?
Yeah.
So it's just some of the shower gels and birth. So now we can start that out same here, Jamaican style. Put it in some 3x7 bag. I will make it work, right? Yeah. Cause so them sell it, you know. So get them in a bag. Yeah, so everything is fine. Now we have some lot of kid stuff here. We're gonna put one side as well to for winter. We're gonna do the treat again for the kids. So we'll do a compilation with all the ties and that we got. So these will definitely go with what we have already. So I want to thank Natasha and Stanley from the US for this barrel. You know, I want to give them a round of applause, please. Yeah man, so we give thanks because this barrel been sitting at the wharf for a little while, you know, so she know wharf already congested, so we give thanks everything is over, we have it right here, so we can get it out the way. So Natasha and Stanley, big up on yourself, only for love, you know, go. Yeah. And we have the prefect on the far right and boom. Hey, boom, I see your one right on my name, and where you say, Umbre Boom? Quiet Dread. Yeah. It's a Quiet Dread, because today we are always quiet. Your name be right on one of the shower gel them as well, because they come in a pack, you know. So the pack them kind of get disassembled, so we have to go try and put them one on one together and say, wow, we can get something. You know, so we are going to make it work. Because most of the body lotion them here. Yeah, most of the body lotion. They may look at the ladies them to be a pink. A body lotion alone?
Yeah, they come together.
Come together.
Oh, so a 2 body lotion?
Yeah.
Okay. Smell like bleaching cream here.
Oh, you know bleaching cream smell. Mine am here, yes.
Oh, Esther bleach here with the cream. Alright then, so we'll give thanks. And Esther. So this meant to be the ladies then. Same way. From Natasha and Stanley Tulloch from the USA.
Thank you, Natasha and Stanley. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's when it comes. Keep safe. May the good Lord bless you.
Paint a function while him start drink. You know. Come baby. See there, so two them say.
Thank you very much, Natasha and Stanley from the US. Big up all donors. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year when it comes.
Alright, so we have Smiley. Smiley name are the only names still standing.
And liquor.
Oh yeah, and liquor. You know, come Smiley with baby dream in her belly, you know it go already.
Thanks very much, Natasha and Stanley from the US.
Yeah.
And may God bless you. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
And even we have liquor. liquor as well too.
Thanks, Natasha.
Natasha.
Natasha and Stanley.
Yeah.
Many blessings, many grateful, many thanks. And a happy New Year's. Oliver and Carla, big up yourself. We have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's. All of the donors, big up yourself.
Alright then, so Ungujela one, Ungujela one left, right?
Yeah.
So they mean our basically a bad lotion?
No man, lotion for the males.
Just lotion, right?
Yeah.
It's like how some of them birds.
They come with the no, none of the lotion them.
Lotion them birds.
No, none name never come from the t-shirt.
The body one of them alone, bro.
No, they might have name for them. Alright, so the okay,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15.
16. So we'll give them one each. So the body wash them splash out. So here was the body wash them a splash. And which one they both already?
More lotion in there?
Hold them.
Give me lotion.
One next. Esther, hold them. Take out Latisha one.
That have badge on him, funny. One of them have badge on him. But we're gonna make sure get something soon to go work. We do some elements of work. How much of them got? 5, 10, 15, 19
no. That's the most?
Yeah.
We watch them on. Okay. Some of the soap drain, some might go up in the car, so it run out.
Come here, Rasta Boom. Come on in too. Come on in there, Esther. And the yeah. Natasha and Stanley from the US.
Natasha and Stanley from the US. One love and blessed.
Yeah, because you name me the point, it's a quiet boom, quiet Ras. Come in, prefect. Take up one each.
This is our name, Smiley.
Smiley. Oh, give that to Smiley. Take up one them black one.
Natasha
And Stanley.
Natasha and Stanley. Only for respect, only for thanks. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year when it comes. Bless up.
Yeah. Come in, Talpi. Yeah. Pick up one of them there each.
Natasha and Stanley, worry for love, you know, worry for blessing, you know. One team, you know, dream team, you know, all me doing on them straight.
Yeah. Come, Painter. Come, show Painter. Natasha and Stanley.
Natasha and Stanley, may God bless you and keep on you, know. Football never hesitate. Thank you for them still, you know. One
Every
team.
time. Yeah, man, so. Alright, Talpi name that? Talpi. What is it? That's what that? Moose?
Body wash, but I foam, the foam one.
Oh, the foam one.
Yeah.
Make Talpi bubble up. Bubble up in the shower, Talpi. Talpi like a bubble up so well. Alright, so some of the members then, the gentleman is not here yet, so whenever them come, we'll hand it to them definitely. So them have a choice. So I eat that. And we have one bag of rice, one bag of flour. For the kitchen. You know, in the kitchen when we're cooking chicken, we're gonna make it work. So this is an all-purpose flour, right? All-purpose flour and white rice. Parboil. A brown rice this. Yeah, this is a brown rice. Right. Yeah. This is what about. And the right rice. Alright. Jella just arrived. You just sleep, Jella?
Yeah.
Alright. That is from Natasha and Stanley Tulloch.
Natasha and Stanley Tulloch.
Yeah. You have the lotion them and you have them two lovely bags as well too for your grands.
Something them bust pan it, the
But
soap.
But you can also shower this again what rinse it off with the water. So yeah. Say it's Jella granddaughter.
Yeah, Jella the cooker.
It depends on the right in the pan it is. So you know I told two granny so they can share it. So
She know again?
Natasha
Natasha
and Stanley.
Natasha and Stanley.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for these tokens and may the Lord bless you and keep you safe. And a happy new year when it comes. I like Christmas.
Yeah.
Thank you. And big up Bibi, you see me, because she want to big her up, because she don't go up and she want to big up.
Yeah, so we're at it again. As I say, Christmas is here.
Yeah.
And the gifts them arrive.
Yeah.
So we have another box here.
Load some people.
All the way. Where's the Jella?
They want to load some people.
Yeah.
You see the secret place at the most high.
Yeah. Joe!
I love you. See, you hear that?
Yeah. He that dwells in the secret place of the most
You know, I'm
high.
I'm glad Psalms are there as the Psalms you see that up there.
Yeah.
No, it go.
Alright, so we just have a barrel with gifts from Stanley and Natasha from the US. And now we have another box from the secret place of the most high. You know, that name been ringing so many bells. You know, from then till now. So we gifted again with gifts and gifts and gifts and gifts. So I will thank the secret place of the most high with a nice round of applause. Jella something else, you know. Well, Jella really is something else. Where is Jella? Tell them again.
Yeah, I love that name, the man. Secret place of the most high. I'm a secretive person, you know.
Yeah. Alright then, so we have the clean team ladies, them are gonna run through the box because she said most things are everything of her name. You know, so she try to give us less work to do, you know, so everything is more organized and packed by the secret place of the most high. We thank you so much for putting that effort and time, you know, for the good deed that we're doing. So we can say pretty slippers. She said this is for the local boy at 2nd Street. Yeah. So that's yeah, so he might get more pretty slippers again. So yeah, so it did already, man. Aye, man. So we're gonna sort it out and hand them on to the members them and we'll just thank her individually after we receive them, right? So clean team ladies them. I don't get to her.
Esther, can like your hairstyle, Esther. How do your hair?
You can spread it on.
Sam, don't let me. It is the Sam's gone.
Where's the Jella?
The man go and spend a little time with him family. Shut down with the man.
What happened? What happened?
One little time Sam's gonna spend some time with him family. Baby, I walk and tell the whole community look boy for see a car.
Yeah.
One little time.
Yeah.
3 nights straight to sleep without him. And I must run him run like and find him gone and don't hear from him.
Yeah. I'm there with Kino, you know. Yeah, man. Kino, man, we always a watch, man. Yeah, man.
Really?
I'm there with, man.
Yeah, he's being videotaped right now as we speak.
You know? Yeah, you see it. Now that's what me. Hold on, let me call you FaceTime.
Alright. Well. So this all started, right? Secret place of the Most High. They're all over the place. Right, so we have everything in check, right, baby?
Yeah.
Liquor, Esther. Kool-Aid lady over here about the Kool-Aid. So the members them can have some Kool-Aid to go and have to drink, you know?
And tea bag.
And tea bag for tea. The vouchers are nice and peas and Kool-Aid, right? Secret place of the Most High. We could clap them again, man. Voucher, we clap them again. Go on, go on. Get out. Go on, side. But them say Jelena keep no secret. She's very secretive, but she not keep no secret. Oh, yeah. So, baby, so we have everything sorted out right there, so, right?
Yes.
The smiley, baby dream.
Yeah.
Everything is ready, right?
Yeah.
Dream. So we say dream team.
One team.
No, man. Dream team.
One team.
Oh, one team.
Dream team.
All right, Jella. Tell him again. Jella.
Dream team. One team. One team.
In that day, so she represent for young tradesmen. Alright, so baby. Alright then. Whoa. We'll start off with the whoa, because whoa have things in the kitchen are burn up, so we don't want it burned up too much. So we got an him theme gift for we have from the secret place of the Most High. Liquor, what the thing them start to, so can pass them round. So we have Wow Chef first. Oh, we have Wow Chef and the mother, right?
Yes, man.
And then niece them.
And niece.
So look one I bag, the white bag there.
When I thank you for
Yeah, thank you bag there.
Alright, look, come get prefect this like to win Wow Chef first. Come prefect. Prefect. That one there. Yes. Yeah.
Prefect, this is from
Secret place.
place of the Most High.
Secret place of the Most High. Only for respect, no thanks, and I appreciate. And I appreciate how you look out, not only for me, but for the whole of the team
members.
I appreciate that. Thank you. May the good Lord bless you and keep you.
Give thanks. Dream team?
One team.
Alright, who we have next? I still have started Wow Chef?
Yeah, man.
So we said that's a mixture of
Wow Chef, mama and niece.
the mom and the niece.
Nieces and nephews. Right?
You should have separated Wow Chef for one different.
I think I that.
Yeah.
So the Wow Chef team one different.
My name would have never them.
No fine.
Yeah.
Come in Wow Chef.
Come in, Wash.
Secret place.
Place of the Most High, give you a package.
Secret place of the Most High, you know. Jarastafari, you know. I tell you, see.
Yeah.
Enough love, enough, you know, all for blessing.
For your mom and for your niece. You know?
Yeah, for mama and my niece, you know.
Oh,
This holiday, you know.
Yeah.
You know.
It's a party. I also look here, Wow Chef, but I also have a bag of rice and a bag of flour for the kitchen.
Yeah.
And you know we have a lot of
Please, whoa, baby, me can boil soap, can you get a whole heap of there and give me them back.
chick.
Yeah, but me not.
So
never know.
this is from Natasha and Stanley.
Natasha and Stanley?
Yeah.
God, me have a cool it in the kitchen.
Yeah.
With more sugar.
You need sugar, that need sugar.
You need sugar?
No, just water.
Water?
Yeah. And you're good to go.
Enough love and whole heap of respect, yeah.
Yes, I.
Thank you for the little things and for make the shop going, you know.
Oh, booming.
Yeah, man, boots up more, you know.
You know?
Yeah, man, can have all cool juice in a bucket, put them in the fridge, you know.
Realize you're in Canada.
Yeah, man. Canada.
Canada, you represent now. Not New York.
Yeah, man, today I represent Canada, tomorrow I have on a New York Guernsey, so etc. Yeah, man, I represent
Alright.
next time I forgot to England.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, enough love, you know. God bless me, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, because we are going to New Year's. Yeah, man, so next year, Heroes Day, Marcus Garvey Day, them day. Love ever show me, yeah.
Yeah, alright, so who we have now? Alright, Jella. Secret place of the Most High.
Secret place of the Most High.
Thank you very much, Jella.
Yeah.
Oh, for baby. Oh, it says a new way.
Thank you very much, Secret Place of the Most High. May your food basket never empty. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year's when it comes.
Yeah. Alright, who we have now? Who we have now? Jenna. What? Fix her back good.
Don't play with me.
Yes, Jella. She will fix her back. What Jella go swim out? Swim wear, dance wear, walk wear, all wear.
I'm a secretive person.
Yeah. I'm very secretive.
Secret place of the Most High.
Secret place of the Most High. Thank you very much. May the Lord bless you and keep you safe. Thank you again for this token.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Love. Jella, you do that again?
Secret place of the Most High. I love you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. May the Lord bless you. Happy New Year when it come. Merry Christmas. Ray!
Who we have next? Who we have Smiley? Yeah. Oh, that liquor. Yeah. And we have liquor. Yeah.
Secret place of the Most High. Father God bless you and keep you all the days of your life, and hope you wish have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yeah. Who we have now? We have Bobbing Ball. Esther. AKA Bombing Ball. The ball is not bombing, it's not working. So let's make it work.
Secret place of the Most High. Happy New Year's when it comes. May the good Lord bless and keep you safe always.
Yeah. Don't like Esther New Year style, but tell the truth, man. Jerry Curls still out here. On to them, Esther. Booming. So who else we have here? We have Smiley.
Secret place of the Most High. Thank you very much. I really appreciate everything that all the donors have done so far. And I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Them here, what go on with them here?
Them are the happy share.
Them have the name from them.
Name the pandemic.
All shake down. Marcha. Young straight man.
Zaga you.
Because these were the first box where they come from the secret place. Talpi, not from they get already though. From the last. Because this was the leftover we never get from the secret place the last time.
Bramovish, come
in, Brahmo.
Oh. Napkin.
Okay, yeah, remember. So them time they get already. Most remember them they get. So this is who never get them last time. So we have
Secret place of the Most High.
Secret place of the Most High. One love, you know. Their food basket never empty. Don't know, you know, my general. Big up.
Every time. Who else we have here? Painter, they get one of this already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, them get that already. Who they get? Boom, they get already, right? And boy, never they get. Boom, talk to you.
Secret place of the Most High.
Secret place of the Most High. All of our love now, my brother. Love goes out to all of my donors.
Of course. Yeah. Get the Talpi Kool-Aid. You want them pack of Kool-Aid there? Yeah, give him one a pack. Yeah, pack. Give him a pack. Get two brush of the Talpi.
Yeah, I'm getting lost. Yeah, I'm getting lost.
Tea bag.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah? Eh? Yeah, call him. Alright then, tall piece.
Yeah, we do.
So, alright then. How are them here?
Soup then, chicken and...
Wow, now take them back here now.
And so?
And then I go right back road.
One bag, me take it, man.
Oh, yeah, get back them there now.
One, I'm showing you the road.
So I eat that, right?
Baja team them there.
Yeah?
Baja something there.
Baja one of them there.
Young tradesman. That's for Baja. Try to Baja something there.
Take them up?
They may never wash.
No, I did them man, the shower gel. Yeah.
Just soak with them.
I was the shower gel.
Come receive them.
And this. Wow chef. It's a wow chef.
One day for Baja too.
It's a for Baja. Yeah. It's a for Baja. And one of them on the shower gel as well. Yeah. And one of these are for Baja as well. Yeah.
Oh, and they get that too. Natural get on them that too, you know.
When I receive, you receive Baja already?
So Baja, yeah. Baja is not here right now, so I'm receiving it for him. Thank you, Secret Place of the Most High. Father God bless you also.
Yeah. Dream team, we're going to give Secret Place of the Most High. I run about applause.
Secret Place.
Yeah. Yeah. Stanley. And also Natasha and Stanley Tolak as well too.
Natasha, Stanley.
Yeah. And yeah. Dream team?
One team.
You know the only real team.
One team. Dream team. Dream team. One team. Dream team. One team.
Come on, we not dog you.
Thumper put on shirt. Thumper, be your hands. Come here. Come here, so look, come brush him out there. Come brush out. Thumper, take out. No, take out this.
I'm gonna take off.
Esther, come here. Somebody come do me a favor, please. No, Thumper, look you know.
Brush off, man.
Thumper, you have to, it cannot brush off. Look you know, look.
Brush everything, man. Brush everything.
All the nest, is that nest you have for your Thumper? Brush it off.
Thumper, take it off.
Watch out for your neck.
Watch out.
Jesus. Thumper, take it off. Take it off, Thumper. Be your hands. It's a Thumper change. Different. Different. And still left on him.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, man, Thumper. So this is from the. Oh, you start feeling my bite now.
Gonna trade man that.
Yeah. Oh, senior. Alright, come here. Alright, we could deal with Thumper quick before the anthem bite him up. So that's the secret place of the Most High. So just tell them thanks, Thumper.
Tell them thanks.
Thanks.
The answer bite.
Answer bite him. Alright, Thumper, go and take it off. Alright, so we have young tradesman. Just come. Yeah. Come in, young tradesman, as you arrive. As you arrive. Alright, it's a secret place of the Most High.
Secret place of the Most High.
Oh, that is different. Natasha. I make that different. Oh, so this is from Natasha. Yeah, actually shower gel them the birth, so you have to get one of them. It's not everything legal, so you can get one same, you'll go with that. And that's from Natasha from the US.
Natasha from the US. Love. It's an honor.
Yeah.
Love again. May a food basket never enter. Jump down!
One day!
Well, Jella just like your teeth, your style, you know. You run down eye. So this now, this is from the, take out that so them so she can see. What's in the bag? It's from the secret place of the Most High.
Secret place of the Most High.
Yeah. Alright then, so that's secret place of the Most High. With the toothbrush in, give me a toothbrush as well.
Secret place of the Most High. No fluff, you know. May your food basket never empty, you know. They are do the good work. See him there. Jump up!
Alright, them think him gone, but him still there. Young trade, man.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.